How to add cinematic black bars in CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add cinematic black bars in CapCut. So let's dive in. First, open CapCut and then open any project that you want to work on. Like I'm going to open this project over here. And now you have to just select this video over here or the project that you want to work on and scroll. And now once you scroll, you'll find this option that says mask, and once you do so, just click it. Here it is. And now just choose any mask. I'm going to go with rectangle over here because it's easiest to make bars. And now you can see it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can just invert the mask over here by using this invert option over here. And once done, you can just choose to resize it, and you can also make the corners round if you want, and you can adjust the size of it by dragging these corners, and that's it. And that's how you add cinematic bars to your CapCut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.